Hi, ever wondered how to turn plain numbers like 1, 2, 3 into first, second, third in Excel automatically? Then stay tuned. This simple Excel trick will not only save your time but make your data look better. In this video, we are diving into ordinal number in Excel. Those numbers that don't just count, they rank. Think first, second, third, not just one, two, three. You will learn how to add correct suffix nd, rd, th, st based on numbers value so that your Excel sheet look more polished and professional. Whether you are working on a report or any kind of ranking system, this is the skill worth knowing. Let's jump right in. Before we build the formula, here is the quick logic behind ordinal numbers. If a number ends with 1, add st like first or 21st. Unless ends with 11, then it is th. If it ends with 2, use nd like second or 42nd. But 12 becomes 12th. You have to add th. Same for 3. You would use rd unless it is 13, which gets th. Everything else just stick with th. Quick simple logic. And now we will turn that into a smart Excel formula. Formula is on your screen now. Here I have used nested if along with logical AND to check both the conditions are true. Here, as you can see, if last one digit is 1 but not 11, then add st. If last one digit is 2 but not 12, then nd. Similarly, if last one digit is 3 but not 13, then rd. In all other cases, we have instructed to add th. Please also notice that I have used inverted comma with 1, 2, 3 and 11, 12, 3 because the text function write always return text string only. You may convert text to number by using value function. I will show the same in next formula. In this formula, I have used if or value write. First of all, we check if last two digits of number are 11, 12 or 13, then we have advised to add th. Otherwise, using choose function, we have instructed to add based on value from 0 to 9. We have added 1 because choose will return error in case of last one digit is 0. We can further improve this formula using switch introduced in 2016. Here we have replaced choose with switch. And as you can see, here 11, 12, 13 all are I have used as number because I have used value in both. Choose also, in last formula also I have used value, in this also. Please to remember that once you add the suffix, number will become text and you can't use the same in calculation. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Number Crunching with Rajesh from jupitersolutions.in.